Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah, this is Leah's Tidy World, and today I wanted to take you through a little shoe declutter and unboxing haul because wait, I'll show you. These are my shoes overall. I should probably show you. Oh god, then I have more in here. And no, they're not more in here, but there are two more down there. And one pair of boots in the cupboard. Anyway, I love ballet flats. I have this pair, which is these gorgeous dance shoes. And then I have this pair, which is sentimental to me. But with both of them, if I wear them for a while, they become too tight. I don't know if my feet swell while I walk or what is going on, but like after a while, like at the beginning, these are really comfortable. I think these already are a bit tight here, but they're both a size 8 and I am a size 8. But I think in ballet flats, I need a wide fit. So I bought this. I checked on Clark's when I'm wearing my new socks. I checked on Clark's, but they didn't have anything I liked in a wide fit. Oh god, these shoes are so dirty on the corner. Anyway, I was trying to find a wide fit pair that I liked and I couldn't find anything. So I checked on eBay and I'll open them and then I'll show you. I'll open them off camera because it's easier. And here's our helper. Oh, of course, she has to go in there. I want to put these back in there. I can put them here, I guess. See you in a second. There we are. Now I have to unwrap this bubble wrap as well. And this is what they look like. I'm not really a tassel girl or a fringe girl, but I really loved the color. And there weren't that many options for the wide fit. So I just wanted to get something because I need them this year to wear them this year. Yeah, I just need my ballet flat option. Minnie, these are mine. So let's try them on. Oh. Feels better. Also feels tight at the front. Oh no. I guess I can always sell them on. But I don't know why they would be tight. They're better width-wise. But the front, the toe is touching the front. I don't think I need size 9. I'm always a size 8. What if I have to make do without ballet flats or these loafers in the future? That would be so annoying. I love ballet flats. I was gonna declutter these two and use these ones, but and these look really stretchy. I don't know why they don't work for me. Because this is an elastic. So I feel like this is an epic fail of a video. These feel better at the front than these. If these are also tight, then I might as well keep the old ones. No, I'm confused what to do, guys. I was gonna sell these on and keep these, and then tell you that I have to review my sandals because was it this one? Yeah, this one ripped here. I don't know if you can see in there. Is it focusing? Can you see? There's a rip right here. There. And the shoe repair guy, like, tried to fix it with glue, but the rip can still be seen and potentially felt. So I'm not sure if this will be comfortable to walk in or whether it will give me a blister. And it's a pity. I thought these would last me longer. And then we have these, which are gorgeous, but they always give me a blister every summer until my feet get used to them. I feel like, I'm not sure if these ones also sometimes give me a blister, but when my feet got used to them, I was fine. But these ones, I think, give me a blister all the time. And then these ones, I just don't, oh my god, so dusty, sorry about that. Oh my god, okay, embarrassing. I just don't reach for them. Not sure if it's because they're like a standard fit and my feet are a bit wide, but that's the noise. Anyway, I'm not sure why, but they don't bring me as much joy as they used to, and I haven't even gotten into wearing them. But maybe this is my only option if these don't work for me, or I could buy a new pair. And then I also have gel sandals here, which I also never use, but they're practical for the beach. Oh my god, so embarrassing, so dusty. I have to clean them. I will, but that's because I haven't reached for them since last summer. So yeah, these are like useful for the beach, so I think I'll keep those. Minnie, don't scratch me. No. Yeah, that's my little shoe update. I'll review these, think about what I'll do with them. I think I'll sell these on because if they're supposed to be bigger than these, and these ones feel bigger, so I might as well keep these ones then. Let's quickly try on this. The sole is so comfortable, but they just feel so tight. I love the gorgeous rose color. And it's shiny as well, but I can already feel it here, and it's just not. But the thing is, are Birkenstock sandals quite wide? My other shoes work for me, so it's a bit strange, but ballet flats don't. I should have cleaned all the shoes before showing them on camera, so embarrassing. But keeping it real, guys, hashtag keeping it real. That was my little shoe declutter. I hope you liked it. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a like, and to return next time, and leave me some comments about how your shoe declutters are going, if you're also into ballet flats. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, take care. I've decided I will keep these for now and sell these, and then try these out longer for a bit, but I'll probably also sell these as well. Thank you for watching.